right, friends, family, I have a new adventure today. Today, we're going to take the trailer with the Lightning camping. Well, to the campsite at least. And we'll see how that goes, because towing with the Lightning is no easy feat. So, well, it's easy to tow with the Lightning. It's just difficult range-wise. Which I did my math, hopefully right. So that ought to work. But let's take a look. We've got, let's see, 188 miles. But when you tow, it's less. So, wish me luck. All right, so it says 188 miles. You add the camp trailer on here. Let's make that thing active. Let's go. That should drop our range. Oh, 76 miles. Sheesh. Well, let's hope for the best. So, here's the deal. With the trailer hooked up, truck says 76 miles, which sounds accurate. I've towed the trailer with the truck a few times, so it remembers which trailer it is. So it's like 30 miles there. Let's see what we burn. I literally haven't pulled out of my driveway yet. Literally. Still here. And it dropped to 71 from 76. So that really builds a lot of confidence. Let me update you on the adventure. So I burned like 40% battery in 35 miles or whatever it was to get there. Now we're at the charging station because there was no campsites available because they were full. So turning into a joyride of towing. So we had to unhook the trailer over there to then charge. Then we'll hook back up the trailer. So I don't know. Towing with an EV? What do you do? All right. It took 41 minutes to charge. I had 36 miles in tow mode. And see what I have now. Built for tow. Okay. So at 90% battery, Lightning's just not going to cut it. So we're going to take the Duramax. Hopefully that'll give me some more range. Got to swap the car seats, toss them in. We'll be rolling. All right, everyone. We're hooked up. All right. Chevy's going to take us home. Okay, I figured out I got a pet peeve though. Wondering if anybody else has this same pet peeve, okay? I think everything's ready to go. Everything should be good. As in, like, take me 20 minutes, load it up, we'll go. 2 hours later, jeez. Pet peeve, I tell you. But it looks like we're locked and loaded, so let's roll. This is one thing that you don't do with an EV. This thing's towing pretty good, actually. I'm impressed. Look at Soph. Hi, Sophie. Well, just fueling up, meeting Chris and Smiths and their family there, and headed up. Been a trip, I tell you.
All in here.
Things are going pretty well. Other than I forgot the power adapter for the trailer. So let's hope that it stays warm. But not a bad little spot. They got their tent over there. Chris has set up ice off. Ours up there. Yep, forgot the power adapter. So the battery doesn't die. If so, we're gonna have to get real creative. But had some hot dogs for dinner. About time for bed. Good morning. Very successful night's sleep, I'd say. I slept good. Boys slept good. Sophie slept good. Stayed warm. So that's always a win. We're just playing right now. There's a little Chip. Oh, there he goes. You got Sophie. Other kids over there. Not sure what the rest of the day holds, but we'll find out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just hanging out now, and I think we'll pack up and hit the road. So, yeah, I'll keep you posted if there's anything else. All right, locked and loaded. Headed out. I will say, very impressed with the little Duramax. I was actually not expecting it to do as well as it did. Towed like a champ. And now headed out. See ya. All right. We did it. We made it home. Also, Duramax. Sorry, hit the wrong button. Anyways, made it home. Duramax. Very impressed. Would highly recommend Duramax 3-liter. Thing is killer. Anyways, that was fun. Thanks for joining along on the old camp trip. Oh, also, this is my last video on the phone. New iPhone gets here really any minute now. So, anyways, that's going to be the last clip of the new iPhone right now. Let's go. So satisfying. Look at that bad boy. Oh, it's so clean. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Catch you next time.